Now we consider the cubic polynomial. I mean here how to find out the zeros of the cubic polynomial by a factorization method. Now I am considering this polynomial. To find the zeros of the cubic polynomial, how to do that one by factorization method, I am going to explain here. Method 1. Guess one zero of the cubic polynomial px, ax cube, bx square plus cx plus d. The guessing is left to your experience. Next step, factorize px into the product of linear polynomial x minus alpha, and where alpha is the guessed zero of the polynomial, and the quadratic polynomial, say a dash x square plus b dash x plus c dash. Write px is equal to x minus alpha into a dash x square plus b dash x plus c dash. Now apply the method from the previous section to factorize a dash x square plus b dash x plus c dash, because we have discussed about the factorization of the quadratic polynomial. And then write the px is equal to x minus alpha into a1x plus b1, a2x plus b2, and thereby equate these linear factors to each of the zero to get the zeros alpha and beta is equal to minus b1 by a1, gamma is equal to b2 by a2. And now I am going to consider the example. Find the zeros of the polynomial what is that, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 2 and here now I am going to consider, now by guessing what is that, x is equal to 1 as a zero of the polynomial, because now we can say p of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 2, that is a 2 plus 3 minus 2. So these terms are getting cancelled. Therefore, 1 is a 0. Now using this one, I would like to write down px is equal to what is that, 2x cube by adjusting the term 2x square minus 2x square plus 5x square, because in the polynomial 3x square is there and we have to get the x minus 1 as the factor, and therefore we can write down this one. But minus 2x square is not there, only 3x square is there. So we can add 3 to 2, so that 5x square minus 5x. But here in the polynomial minus 3x is there, so add 2x minus 2 it is going to be. So you can term these, and this is equal to 2x square into x minus 1 plus 5x 5x into x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1, which can be written as, now you can see here, x minus 1 as a common factor to all these terms. The rest is going to be 2x square plus 5x plus 2. This I can write down x minus 1 into qx, where qx is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Now I can see here, and this I can write down as a quadratic polynomial, so I can write down here quadratic polynomial. Now qx can be factored. Qx is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Now you can use the method which I have discussed earlier. 2 into 2, 4, 5x can be written as 4x plus x. This can be written as 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2, which can be written as 2x into, what is that, x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2, and therefore I can write down x plus 2 into 2x plus 1, and therefore px becomes px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Equating each of these terms, equating each linear factor to 0, we get x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And these are the, therefore, these are the zeros of this cubic equation. Px is equal to, what is that, 2x square x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 2. In this way we can get the zeros of the, what is that, zeros of the cubic polynomial. First we have to guess the 1 0, and thereby you can get the factor of a linear factor like x minus alpha. Then you will get the quadratic polynomial. Again, quadratic polynomial can be expressed as the product of two linear factors, and then finally you can equate all these linear factors to 0. You will get 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial.